How to reset settings to default in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Setting on your phone. You'll find Search button on top right corner of your screen. Click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen. Search Apps. Then click on Apps and Notification. In here, click on Gmail. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply force stop the app. After you have force stopped the app, go to Storage and Cache, clear cache and clear storage. After you have cleared storage, simply restart your phone. After that, simply open Gmail, log into your account and use as it is. And this is how to reset settings to default in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.